Hey guys, Car Seat Coding. Um, haven't finished the spreadsheet yesterday. Today, I think I'll just do a bit of cleaning up before I go back and start the pyramid generator before I do the next certification project. So I'd mentioned that because I'd gone in and played around, not played around, referred to, like I go back sometimes and check stuff that I've done just to maybe have a look at something, remind myself of something, and it seems doing that sometimes will make the course, I guess, render that step as undone. And it doesn't look great, so I'm just going in and trying to clean some of those up. So what I'm hoping this will also yield is just a way of resurfacing things I've learned. Hopefully, revise some stuff. So it's a bit random. These these sessions might not be as useful to you guys, but it certainly is hopefully going to be useful to me. So cool. Let's go this again. So objects. See, so I'm just just the fact that I get to remind myself of objects like this is quite useful. So this is actually a thing that I've sort of been confused by. Objects are made up of key value pairs, but a key value pair is a property. The key is the name, the value is the data of the property. Right. See, I have been thinking of it as properties are just the effectively the keys, and the values are something like a property value pair. But actually, the key value itself is the pair is the property. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's useful. Mm, that's cool. probably going to be worth me checking because I think it's only 5 steps that I've got to do on this one. I don't necessarily need to rehash everything. So I've probably got to about 53 and check the curriculum page once more. Again, so I must have come back to this because I was looking at how to access the properties of an object. Dot notation or bracket notation. Now remember we found that article that showed us that we use dot notation when we know exactly what is there, but then we use bracket notation when we need to resolve it, I believe. Hey, see, this is good. This is a really good way of learning that sort of forced repetition. Not forced repetition, spaced repetition is what I'm looking for. Being able to sort of go through, ask yourself questions, answer them is a way of enforcing what you've learned. So this is really cool because I'm glad that I actually do remember that dot property is if you know what it is. So if you know the name of the property that you're trying to access, so if you knew it was object.name, then cool. But bracket is if we need to resolve it. So maybe we know the index of it, or we can put something there that resolves into the name of what we're looking for. For that name. Okay. Actually, I don't need to do that because I can see that it's filling up in the bottom. Cool. Okay. So, but bracket notations as well if you don't actually know what's there. That's cool. Oh, well, that your step is just to delete everything. That's crazy. I thought I'd already seen this. I don't know why I'm getting it twice, but okay. Yeah, that's back to 100. Got 6 steps here. Oh, this is annoying. Alright, well, my keyboard is failing me, so I'm going to carry this on the laptop. I know why sometimes it gets a bit weird with trying to put entries in, but yeah, cool. Thank you guys for showing up, and keep showing up for what's important to you. Alright guys, peace.